Connex is clear. Still.
You go first, you're lefty.
I got you. This guy's moving in the woods. What the heck?
We go in the woods. God.
Dude, there.
There they come. We got it. Here we go. Here we go.
No, we can't because these guys. Dude, we're gonna have to.
We can't let them set up here. We can't set up.
In the woods! This guy's moving up in the woods. They'll get an angle on us.
Right on that corner. Right there.
Jeff, can you get that guy in the woods?
Come here, get ready here. He's on the very end. Huh? Very end.
Hey, watch it because they might come around to here too. No, I got a friendly out there. What? Tango down. Yeah, I got him.
Alright, guys.
Check Connex. Connex clear.
I got that end covered. I'll keep that end suppressed.
Hey, I need some help.
What's up?
There's a bunch of dead guys.
You want to get out of here?
Yeah, we should. We're not holding anything down. Keep this covered.
Alright. Oh my god!
What?
They're right over there.
Horseshoeing us. They got us horseshoeing.
Yeah. You watch that. Make sure no one comes in that window.
I got the road covered.
Friendly, friendly! Same team, Ruin. Hit! Friendly, 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 friendly. What team are you? Alright. East side. Do you know who has the Escher? East side. We got guys moving up over here. I'll get them. East side. Great. Tango down. 2 tangos down. What the heck? Hey, dead guy. Just move over a little bit so I don't shoot you. Hey, watch it. We got guys right through there. Just get behind that barrier right there. You can't kill us. We're in respawn. He's running. Yo! Where are they at? I've been on this. What? I don't know. I've been on the other side the whole time. Where the end? Alright, figure it out. East side. East side, east side, east side.
East side, east side.
Alright, you're good, John. There's a guy running. Oh my god! Right on the Escher. Yeah, right on the stairs. They're coming in. They're coming in. Don't let them shoot me. Don't let them shoot me. Right on the stairs. 3, 2, 1. Take it down. Hey, get off the stairs or you're probably gonna get shot. Two tankers down. Two tankers down.
Come on.
Are you all dead right here?
Right here on the wall. Got him. He's dead.
I think I killed them all.
I got him. Watch that wall. I'm watching you. You're good. I'm watching you.
You wanna run to Usher?
I don't like that wall.
Hit! You wanna walk to respawn, John?
No, we gotta make it right behind you.
Alright. Reach your hand. I'm fogging so bad I can't tell what's going on right there.
It doesn't look like you're foggy.
And there's like condensation in there.
What?
Oh, you're good.
Yeah, dude, he's on the side. My bad.
East side. East side. East side. You are? Are you east side? I don't know if these guys are on our team. I'm just gonna shoot them all because they're not responding. East side, east side, east side. Hit! Take it down. Mix sucks. Those enemies still coming down here?
There's a building that we can pass.
Oh god. Right here? Move up, east side. Move up. Move up, move up. Come on, I hit you, dude. Did you hit that? Hold it. I think I got hit. Okay, take it down. Move up! Take it down. Friendly, east side. Friendly, east side. East side. Hit! Are these our guys? Those are enemies, I think, right there. Those are...
What
yeah.
side?
Are you east side?
What side? Oh, you fucker.
Dude, get in. They're not east side. And Marshall even said it. East! Oh, that's Ricochet. Can we go on second story? Alright. East side. East side coming through. East side. East side. East. East side coming in.
East or west?
They are enemies right there.
They're all enemies.
Yep.
Light them up.
That's the friendly right there. Babies aren't shooting.
Come on, man. I thought you were here the first time. Acting like I didn't see it. Come on. He's in the van right now.
Hey, watch out, right there.
Yep. That's machine gun. Stay down. Oh my God!
Somebody throw a grenade! Jesus. Prepare for a breaching.
Woo! That's still coming! How many babies?
Machine gunner's over there. There's more guys full auto in this way as well.
Woo!
I got 2 in my crosshair. Another one in Connex. Saw.
There, we got a Clyde. Take Tommy!
Take your BB.
More ammo, what are you doing? He's almost out, right? Take your babies back!
I think he died over there.
Oh my God! I've got this.
There's guys in the Connex.
Thank you! Yeah! Jesus.
We will